Hi all, welcome to Heights to Fly. HCF and LCM are two important topics in mathematics, and there are many application level questions using HCF and LCM. Today we are discussing what is meant by HCF and LCM, how to find out HCF and LCM, and some of its related questions. HCF stands for highest common factor, the greatest number which divides two or more given numbers. The greatest number which divides two or more given numbers. Let's go to an example. HCF of 60 and 75. How to find out the HCF, highest common factor of 60 and 75. Here we are using the factorization method. Factors of 60 are 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. We can rewrite it as 2 square into 3 into 5. 2 square, 2 raised to 2 into 3 into 5. And the second value 75 can be represented as 3 into 5 into 5. We can rewrite it as 3 into 5 raised to 2. The method we are using here is pick up the common factor which have least power. Pick up the common factor which have least power. Consider the factor 2. 2 is not common in 60 and 75. 2 is present only in case of 60. There is no value 2 in 75. So we have to skip the value 2. And the second factor is 3. 3 is present in both 60 and 75, and the least power is 3 raised to 1. In both cases 3 is only present, so we pick up the 3 raised to 1. And the third value is 5. And in case of 60 the power is 1, 5 raised to 1, and in case of 75 it is 5 raised to 2. So the least power is 1. So we have to pick up 5 raised to 1. 3 into 5, which is equal to 15. To find HCF of two values, the least powered common factor we take. HCF is also known as greatest common divisor and greatest common measure. GCD is a common term used for the substitution of HCF. Find GCD. It means find HCF. Let's go to the term LCM, least common multiple. The smallest positive number that is a multiple of two or more given numbers. The smallest positive number that is a multiple of two or more given numbers. Go to an example. I have to find out the LCM of 24, 45 and 60. The factors of 24 are 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. That is 2 raised to 3 into 3. 2 raised to 3 into 3. Similarly, 45, the factors are 3 into 3 into 5, which is equal to 3 square into 5. Okay. For 60, it is 2 square into 3 into 5. So we have to take the highest powered factor. Highest powered factor. Here the factors are 2, 3 and 5. In 3 values, these 3 values are present, 2, 3 and 5. The highest powered value of 2 is 2 raised to 3. 2 raised to 3. So we take 2 raised to 3. And for number 3, the highest powered value is 3 square. 3 raised to 1 is present and 3 square is present. We have to take the highest powered value, that is 3 square, into the third power factor is 5, and the highest power is 5 raised to 1. So 8 into 9 into 5, which is equal to 360. The smallest positive number that is a multiple of two or more given numbers. To find HCF, we have to take the highest powered common factor, and to find LCM we have to take to find HCF we have to find out the lowest powered common factor, and to find out LCM we have to take the highest powered factors. Next question is, find HCF of 35 by 12, 49 by 30 and 21 by 40. Here the values given are fractions. We have to find out the HCF of these fractional values, and 4 options are given. Find HCF of 35 by 12, 49 by 30 and 21 by 40. That is an equation to find out the HCF of fractions. That is HCF of numerators divided by LCM of denominators. We have to find out the HCF of numerators and we have to find out the LCM of denominators. Let's go to the solution. HCF of 35, 49 and 21. Here the factors for 35 are 7 and 5, 49 are 7 and 7, and 21 it is 7 and 3. Here the common factor present is only 7. 5 and 3 is not common factors. 5 is not present in 49 and 21. 3 is not present in 49 and 35. The only common value present in 3 values are 7. And the least powered value is 7 raised to 1. Highest powered is 7 raised to 2. We have to take the least powered value 7 raised to 1. Then, so the HCF value is 7. Let's go to the LCM of denominators 12, 30 and 40. The factors of 12 are 3 and 4. Factors of 30, 2, 3 and 5. For 40 it is 2 raised to 3 and 5. The factors present are 2, 3 and 5. We have to take the highest powered factor. The first factor 2, the highest powered is 2 raised to 3. In case of 40 it is 2 raised to 3. In other cases for 30 it is 2 raised to 1, and for 12 it is 2 raised to 2. So we have to take the highest powered value, which is 2 raised to 3, into the second factor 3. The highest powered value is 3 raised to 1. So 3, and the third value 5, it is 5 raised to 1. So 2 raised to 3 into 3 into 5, which is equal to 120. So the HCF of these fractional values is equal to HCF divided by LCM. HCF of numerators divided by LCM of denominators, which is equal to 7 by 120. And next question is also to find the HCF for fractional values. You can do it yourself and give the answer in comment box, and otherwise we can discuss it at the end of the video. Next question, the LCM of 2 by 3, 3 by 5, 4 by 7 and 9 by 13. LCM of 4 fractional values. 4 options are given. Let's go to the solution. LCM of fraction is equal to LCM of numerators divided by HCF of denominators. LCM of numerators divided by HCF of denominators. LCM of numerator. The numerators are 2, 3, 2 raised to 2 and 3 raised to 2. That is, numerators are 2, 3, 4 and 9. The only factor for 2 is 2, 3, 3, and for 4 it is 2 square, and for 9 it is 3 square. The highest powered values are 2 square and 3 square. 2 raised to 1, 3 raised to 1, 2 square, 3 square. The highest powered factors 2 raised to 2 and 3 raised to 2, which is equal to 36. HCF of denominators. Denominators are 3, 5, 7 and 13. Here there is no common factors for these values. But when considering 3, 5, 7 and 13, there is no common factors. So the HCF of these values is 1. The only factor available is 1. Then the answer will become 36 by 1. LCM divided by HCF. So it is 36 divided by 1, which is equal to 36. Two numbers are in the ratio 5:7. If the HCF is 4, find the numbers. The question is, two numbers are in the ratio 5:7. HCF of these values are given. And we have to find out the two numbers. Okay, 4 options are given. Let's go to the solution. The ratio given is 5:7. So we can write the numbers are 5x and 7x. By multiplying a common value to this ratio, 5x and 7x. And HCF given is 4. That is the value of x is equal to 4. Highest common factor is 4. Then we will get the numbers by multiplying this common factor with this ratio values. That is the value of x is equal to 4. 5 into 4 and 7 into 4 are the two numbers. So we will get the answer 20 and 28. 20 and 28. Okay. Next question is, which of the following has the most number of devices? Which of the following has the most number of devices? 4 options are given: 99, 101, 176 and 182. Go to the solution. First we have to factorize these 4 values. When factorizing 99, we get the factors 3, 3 and 11. For 101, it is 1 and 101 only. So 101. For no other factors are therefore 101. When factorizing 172, 176, we get the values as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 11. And for 182, the factors are 2 into 7 into 13. So when we count the numbers, most number of devices available is in number 176. That is the factors, highest factors available is for 176. 176 has most number of factors. So the answer is 176. Next question, find out the HCF of 3 raised to 8, 3 raised to 5, 3 raised to 9 and 3 raised to 14. 3 raised to 8, 3 raised to 5, 3 raised to 9 and 3 raised to 14. And these numbers are included in the optional part also. Then to find out the HCF, the lowest powered common value. Here the lowest powered is 3 raised to 5. 3 raised to 5 is the answer. Next, find out the LCM of 4 raised to 5, 4 raised to minus 18, 4 raised to 12 and 4 raised to 7. 4 options are given. We know least common multiple. The value is highest powered factor, highest powered factor. Here the highest powered is 4 raised to 12. So the option is C, 4 raised to 12. Find the ratio between LCM and HCF of 5, 15 and 20. Find the ratio between LCM and HCF of 5, 15 and 20. You can do it yourself. We know what is LCM and HCF, how to find out LCM and HCF of numbers. So you can do it yourself. Otherwise, we are discussing it in the end of the video. Next question is HCF of rupees 1 rupee 20 paise, 3 rupee 40 paise, 4 rupee 80 paise. 4 options are given. We have to find out the HCF of these values. To find out HCF of these values, we have to convert it into paise. HCF of 120, HCF of 340 and HCF of 480. We multiplied it by using 100. Multiplied by 100. 120. The factors are 20 into 6, 340, 20 into 17, 480, 20 and 24. Here the common multiple available is 20. Highest common factor available is 20. So the answer is 20 paise. Next question is, two numbers are in the ratio 2:3 and the product of the LCM and HCF is 33,750. Thus we have to find out the sum of the numbers. Okay, once again the question, two numbers are given in the ratio 2:3 and the product of the HCF and LCM is given. We have to find out the sum of the numbers. Four options are given. Let's go to the solution. Here there is an equation. Product of two numbers is equal to the product of LCM into HCF of that numbers. That is, if the numbers are A and B, A into B is equal to LCM of A into A comma B and HCF of A comma B. Product of two numbers is equal to LCM and into HCF of that numbers. Okay, here the product of HCF and LCM is given and we have to find out the numbers. The numbers are in the ratio 2:3, so we can rewrite it as 2x into 3x. 2x and 3x. The product of this can be found out by 2x into 3x, which is equal to the product of HCF and LCM. 2x into 3x is equal to 6x square. 6x square, then x square is equal to 33,750 divided by 6. Now we can find out the value of x by finding out the square root of 5625, which is equal to 75. We get the value of x as 75 and the numbers are 2x and 3x. So 2 into 75 and 3 into 75. So the values are 150 and 225. 150 and 225. The sum is 150 plus 225, which is equal to 375. Which is equal to 375. Here the equation we used is product of two numbers. Product of two numbers is equal to LCM into HCF of that numbers. Okay. Okay, these are the problems today we discussed, and initially we told about two questions, the HCF of fractions 9 by 10, 12 by 25 and 18 by 35 and 21 by 40. We can find it out by the equation HCF of fractions is equal to HCF of numerators divided by LCM of denominators. HCF of 9, 12, 18 and 21. When we find out the HCF, we get the value as 3 and LCM of 10, 25, 35 and 40, which is 1400. HCF of numerators divided by LCM of denominators. That is the equation for to find out the HCF of fractions. Next, find the ratio between LCM and HCF of 5, 15 and 20. We get the LCM as 60 and HCF as 5. LCM is equal to 60 and LCM is equal to 5. We have to find out the ratio. So 60 divided by 5, which is equal to 12 divided by 1. We can write it as ratio 12:1. Okay. Hope all of you understand. If any further queries, you can comment in the comment box. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and share for new videos.